Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up voice control on your GoPro Mission 1 Pro. So first, what are we going to do is we want to scroll down and we want to make sure that voice control right here is enabled. As you guys can see, it's turned off now, so we want to turn it on. Once we turn it on, we can leave. And now basically it's done, and all we can do now is we can use it. So as you guys can see, we're in photo, single 12 megapixel now, and I can say GoPro Start Recording. And as you guys can see, it is switching to video and it will start recording as soon as you get the SD card. Also, we can say GoPro Stop Recording and it will stop the recording. Also, you can go with GoPro Shoot Burst, and it will also change to the photo and burst. Now GoPro Capture, and this will begin recording or shooting in whichever mode your camera is currently set to. Also, you can select GoPro Stop Capture, and you can easily go over and say, for example, GoPro Highlight. So this will try and place a digital marker tag in your video, so you can easily find that moment later whenever you're editing it. So also you have some mode switching commands like GoPro video mode, and it is switching to video. GoPro time-lapse mode, and it should change it, but as you guys can see, sometimes it may also be laggy. I believe that there's also GoPro turn off or GoPro off, and it should turn off your GoPro. And also you can just GoPro take a photo. It will take a single photo once you have your card, and that's it. So that's how it works. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.